Hello everyone, let me show you something powerful. This is an AI powered business assistant that combines two capabilities every company needs: a smart knowledge base and an automated meeting scheduler, all in one seamless workflow. Think of it as your company's brain and personal assistant rolled into one. First, let's look into the knowledge base. Here I have uploaded some company documentation, for example, Viven Cloud. Let's ask about it. What is Viven Cloud? The assistant instantly answers. No googling, no document hunting. You can update or upload a new information anytime at your team or customer gets instant accurate response through this chat interface. Essentially, it's your company AI documentation system, always on, always updated. Now let's switch to the scheduling assistant. Let's say a customer want to book a call. Book me a call. May I know your name? My name Ritik. Then it want to ask about my number. I will give my number. Can you give me your email address? I have a dummy mail. What is your purpose? You want to know about hosting services. When I want to book my call, I want to book my call at today, October 2025 at 9 o'clock at night. Want to confirm the time zone. It's up to us what all steps we need, what all things we need. It's asked me how long I want the meeting. I want the meeting for 20 minutes. It's check for that time is free or not. It automatically checks the connected calendar, finds available slots, create a Google Meet link, logs everything into the Google Sheet. Here I have my thing. I can have a look at my sheet. Here it's have uploaded. And there it's have in the Google Meet inquiry about the hosting service. I have received the mail. It even prevents double bookings. So within a seconds, your calendar has a confirmed appointment and a professional follow-up email, all handled by AI. Now imagine this as a white labeled SaaS product. Your client can rebrand it, connect their own tools, Zoom instead of Meet, Outlook instead of Gmail, Airtable instead of Sheet, and sell it as their own intelligent assistant. You charge a platform fee and they monetize it however they like, per booking, per user, or subscription based models.